Nang dahil ba kayo po ay inihatid niyo ang Pangulong Duterte sa The Hague? Ito po bang kabayaran, Mr. President? Ito po ba'y premyo? Kasi kailangan nating ma-disabuse po ang pagdududa ng mga kababayan natin. Hindi naman po kayo ang dapat na maghatid sa kanya ron eh. Tama po, Mr. President?
Your Honor, sabi po niya, Asik Lacanilaw, siya nga po, he confirms that he was one of those on the plane with the former president.
Opo, wala namang pagdududa doon. There's no debate in that. Ang tinatanong po, kayo po bang authorized na dapat sumama na maghatid sa hindi tamang pagkakahatid sa dating Pangulo? Under what authority did you accompany the former president to The Hague, Netherlands?
According to Asik Lacanilaw, being with the OSCE, they are on top of the Interpol po. Kaya po sila po kasama. Kaya
What do you mean they are on top of the Interpol, Mr. President? Does he mean, Mr. President, he is the local counterpart of the Interpol in the Philippines?
Yung po PCTC daw po is that's Interpol NCB Manila.
Yun nga po.
Opo.
The PCTC is the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes.
Opo.
Kaya hindi po totoo na sinasabi niya na he is on top of transnational crimes. Kayo po ay special envoy. But the local counterpart of the Interpol is the PCTC. It should have been the executive director of the PCTC who should have accompanied the former president, even if we assume that that was regular.
According to Asik Lacanilaw, that meron po daw siyang dokumento that he was well documented for him to be able to accompany the former president to The Hague, being the head of OSCE. Tapos yung PCTC po is the operational arm under OSCE, Your Honor, Mr. President. So yun po yung kanyang personality or credentials for being the former president.
Can you give us a copy of that document, Mr. President?
According to Asik Lacanilaw, it's with the Office of the President, Your Honor.
Ano po?
Nasa OP daw, sa Office of the President. Or the Office of the Executive Secretary.